If you want to put an audio handle on your Sony A7IV or A7S III rig, you need this SmallRig adapter plate MD4019. This works with several SmallRig cages to allow the Sony XLR handle from the FX30 or FX3 to be attached to the camera. This is super cool because it lets you record 4 channels of audio at a higher quality than you can record using the A7IV or A7S3's built-in 1/8" jack, and it also doubles as a top handle for your camera. Of course, you can also use the Sony XLR-K3M with these cameras too without a cage, but I like that this handle is screwed directly into a camera cage, which gives you extra stability and insurance against it becoming disconnected and ruining your audio on a shoot. I have links to all the gear in this video in the description below. To use the adapter plate, first screw the XLR-1H handle onto the plate using a flat screwdriver, coin, or tool. I like the tool built into the SmallRig camera cages for this. Then take your A7IV or A7S III with the compatible camera cage and slide the handle on the hot shoe. You want to make sure it's pressed all the way forward, then start to tighten the 2 Allen screws on the adapter plate. I like to give them a loose start and then do the final tighten once everything is fully aligned. Next, make sure the handle is set to on with the lever on the side. Turn video mode on your camera, go to your menu, go down to shooting, and then number 7, audio recording. Go to the My Shoe audio set and you can choose between 48 kHz at 24-bit 4-channel, 48 kHz 24-bit 2-channel, or 48 kHz 16-bit 2-channel. I like the 4-channel mode because then you can use both XLR jacks and the 1/8" jack beside the XLR jacks, and all the audio tracks are synced to the same video file. Now you're ready to record XLR audio with your Sony XLR-H1 audio handle on your Sony A7IV or A7S III. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new, like this video, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I will be putting more guides out for the Sony A7IV soon, so please be sure to subscribe to my channel. I also want to point out that SmallRig makes a great XLR handle extender. Check out this video for more info about the XLR handle extender.